Hello, I am Halima Khatun, Assistant Teacher, Bijbari Apatonesa Girls High School, Sador Lalmonirhat. Dear students, good morning. How are you? I hope you are well. I am fine too. Dear students, today we are going to start our English class, English first paper class of class 8. Unit 9, lesson 6, you are welcome, online class. Dear students, do you know where was paper invented and when? Okay, no problem. After we have studied this unit, we will be able to make the answer of these questions. Dear student, attentively listen. Listen to me what I say about our lesson. Today our lesson's topic, paper has advanced our life. Paper has advanced our life. Listen, communication ideas is at the center of civilization. It needs written record. Most of our record in the modern age are on paper. Though paper writing was invented very early, paper is a more modern invented. For long in history, people exchanged ideas through speaking and listening. Then there came the art of writing. People but to record thoughts in writing was difficult. Writing materials were not available. People used the surface of a stone, metal, planks, barks, etc. for writing. Finally, paper was invented first in China in 105 AD. Understand? Then, before the paper age, knowledge was very restricted. Can you think of the time? There were very few books in the world. Maybe they were written on a stone or on heavy wood planks or on metal sheets. In our age, you can carry the entire world of knowledge in your laptop bag. You can carry even a huge volume of paper. Encyclopedia, that means Vishwakosh. In fact, paper has made publication and the spread of knowledge and information easy. So, you can see how paper has changed our life. Do you understand this lesson? Okay, thank you very much. Dear student, now we will discuss some MCQ questions. Look the board. You find out the best answer from the alternatives. Question number 1. Paper was produced first in dash in 105 AD. Option A, Japan. Option B, Iran. Option C, India. Option D, China. Can you tell me right answer? Okay, thank you. Right answer is China. Question 2. To record thoughts in writing was dash. Option A, common. Option B, difficult. Option C, easy. Option B, natural. Tell me right answer. Okay, thanks. Difficult. To record thoughts in writing was difficult. Number 3. Before the paper is people wrote on. Option A, metal. Option B, stone. Option C, planks. Option D, all the above. Can you tell me the right answer? Okay, thanks. Before the paper is, people wrote on metal, stone, planks, all the above. Okay, all the above. Number 4. What does the passage highlight? Highlight. Option A, importance of paper. Option B, importance of laptop. Option C, importance of internet. Can you tell me right answer? Okay, very good. Importance of paper. Dear students, anybody problem? Okay, thanks. Now we will discuss some questions. Look the board. Question number 1. Where was paper invented? Invented and when? Dear students, can you tell me the answer? Okay, listen. Paper was invented first China in 105 AD. Clear? Okay. Next question. What did the people use for writing in pre-paper age? Do you understand? What did the people use for writing in pre-paper age? Tell me. Okay, thank you. Before the paper age, people wrote on stone, heavy wood planks, metal sheets. Okay, thank you. Next question. What is at the center of civilization? Civilization. What is at the center of civilization? Can you tell me the answer? Okay, thank you very much. Paper is at the center of civilization. Next question. How did people transfer ideas before writing was invented? How did people transfer ideas before writing was invented? Tell me. Okay, thank you very much for this answer. People thoughts their ideas speaking and listening. Do you understand these questions? Okay. Dear students, no more today. See you again our next session. Until then, stay home, be safe, be alert about your hygiene. Allah Hafiz.